Downloaded a file that came in multiple GFS pieces and need to put it back together? This splitting format is part of a popular Windows utility suite. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through merging these Glarysoft split files. The fastest method is last. We will prove that a single quality GFS file inspection program is sometimes all you need for complete mastery over various file types. A .gfs file contains meteorological data from the Global Forecast System, a weather forecast model produced by the National Centers for Environmental Prediction, NCEP. Scientists, researchers, and meteorologists use these files to analyze and visualize weather patterns, such as temperature, wind, and precipitation data. These files are typically in GRID binary format, a standard designed by the World Meteorological Organization. The binary structure is highly compressed and optimized for storing large volumes of gridded data efficiently. It contains self-describing metadata, allowing software to interpret the complex meteorological parameters within. Windows registers the GFS file as an opener for QGIS developed by QGIS development team. Windows native tools lack the decompression modules necessary for this file. Windows shows limited information, needing GES applications for real usage. To open this specific GFS file, right-click your file and select Open With. If QGIS is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Don't worry if it takes a few tries. If you still can't open the GFS file, it's okay. If your file remains inaccessible, it's typically due to one of three common pitfalls. Let's review this straightforward list of culprits and verify their status right now. First, gathering all segments. Collect every GFS segment file in a single folder, ensuring none are missing from the sequence. Missing pieces prevent successful reconstruction of the original file. Verify the count matches what the sender specified and that file sizes appear consistent across segments. Next, joining with Glaryutilities. Install Glaryutilities and launch the File Splitter and Joiner module. Select Join Mode, browse to the first GFS segment and choose an output destination. The tool reads all sequential segments and reconstructs the original file with its native extension restored. Finally, verifying file integrity. After joining, compare the reconstructed file size and checksum against values provided by the original sender. Glaryutilities displays integrity verification results during the join process, flagging any corruption from incomplete or damaged segments before final output completion. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like FileMagick, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagick.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.